Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your swags after completing Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. So I made a video on how to apply Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, what is Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, and also made various videos on Quick Labs so you can complete all the labs and get your swags from Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to get your Google Cloud Ready Facilitator swags. So you can get how to redeem that swags. So I am going to show you in this video because after completing all the Google Cloud Facilitator Quick Labs and different type of things, now there is a time of getting swags. And if you are eligible candidate, means you doesn't do any type of mischief or any type of bad practices, then you got a free swags from Google Cloud. You got a mail, and you also need to check your spam or a trace mail. Maybe your mail, maybe that mail comes in that section of spam or a trace. But after how to fill that and how you can get that, because how why I made this video, because I completed Google Cloud program last year and I got this t-shirt. You can see here that is written Google Cloud. And also that time total 12 12 badges we need to complete. And you all know, if you completed that Google Cloud Facilitator program, any badges, it contains many labs. So I complete out of 12 total 9 total 9 badges, and I only get this t-shirt. But if I complete more 3 badges, if I was completed, then I also got 2 t-shirts, one this and also one is of color white, and also a bag from Google Cloud. So that is much more impressive, but I only get this. So this time I didn't do any mistake and I completed all the labs and I get all the badges. Now firstly I'm going to show you my profile, how much I completed, and after that I'm going to show you the mail which comes on my mail, the registered mail. And after that I'm going to show you how to get your swags, what to fill in the forms and what to do after that. So next, let me share my screen and we will going to show you all the things in this video. So friends, here we are on the platform of Quick Labs, and you can see here this is my registered mail ID, registered account, which from which I completed. And here you can see there is a in progress badges, and you can see there is no badges. So I am going to show you my profile, but firstly I am going to show you this 12 that is called Implement DevOps in Google Cloud. And there is one challenge lab that is in maintenance. That's why you can see here this is in maintenance. That's why it doesn't completed that, and many of the students not completed that. But from Google Cloud this is not a compulsory, and they give us swags without completing this also. So now I'm going to show you my profile, that from that you can see all the registered badges I completed. So here you can see one by one all badges. It needs total 2 months to complete this all. And you can see here all the badges. So these are the total 44 badges, and one badge is there that's I not completed, that is called Implements DevOps in Google Cloud, because it's in under maintenance. So this is my public profile and you can verify it. So next thing is how you can claim your swag. So this mail I got from Google Cloud. You can see Google Cloud edu no reply.com, and this is the mail which comes in my mail. And here it is written, congratulations, time to claim your swags. And what swags I am going to get, here it is listed. So one career readiness program sheet, next is one Google Cloud t-shirt, one Google Cloud pen, one Google Cloud badge, one Google Cloud sticker, one Google Cloud sling bag, and one Google Cloud laptop bag. So these are the things which you can see here. Let me show you more clearly. So here you can see that these are the swags. And show I completed all the milestones, means I completed ultimate milestone. That's why I got all the swags from this. And also Google Cloud readiness programs that also I'm going to get. And here you can see it is something that's about the claim your swags. Here you can see, just go ahead, fill the form of swags. If you just tap on this claim your swags, you got a form. I'm going to show you that's also. So this form is only valid till 24th of June. You need to fill this form before this, so that you can claim your swag after after the deadline. If you going to complete after you the deadline, if you're going to fill this form, it is not accepting request. So next thing is what happens after filling this form. So here you can see, once you fill the form, we will verify your completion and will send you a unique link using which you will be able to order your squares, select your t-shirt size and get them delivered at your home. It can make 7 to 14 days before you get a unique link. So please be patient and fill the form and keep an eye out of your mail. So this is the written here, means after completing this form which I'm going to fill from my side, and then after 7 to 14 days it gives me a unique link. From that I can claim my swags from Google Cloud site, whichever it is going to given, and there I can get a t-shirt and different type of swags which you can see here. And also take a screenshot of this mail and share it on social media. Means if you want to share it, this achievement of yours, then you can just take the screenshot of this one in the above, and means it is also needed to be here. And after taking a screenshot, just share on LinkedIn or different type of platforms with this hashtag has the red Google Cloud ready, so that they can means this make this Google Cloud event more and more popular in between different type of students. And now I'm going to show you the application form, and here you can see where I can apply for the squax. And this is the squax claim form, Google Cloud Ready Facilitator Program. Terms and conditions are there, and I think doesn't need to go through this terms and conditions because all the things you already know. And here different type of things, just like from this is a cryptocurrency and different type of things. I doesn't think you need to go from here. And here first you need to write your mail address, and after that you need to accept all the terms and condition which is written above. So firstly I'm going to write my mail, but here is they're given a caution sign, means need to write your email ID which from which you completed all the swags, means all the in labs. And if you give any other mail, then they doesn't verify that, and after means you doesn't going to get any swags from Google Cloud. So here after completing the first thing, here we can see the next thing. And here also there are different type of things given. Oh, you made it this far, congratulations on achieving milestones and in Google Cloud Ready Facilitator Program. And after that the claim form will close on 24,000 as I already mentioned. And after that there are some notes already given here. This form is only students who have completed the milestone eligible for prizes. If you are a part of program and have not achieved any milestones, then you would not receive any prizes. And also you need to fill it carefully so that you got your squares on in a correct address. So firstly you need to write your name, after that your gender. Next thing is enter your postal address with phone number and pin code. And after that select your institution name if it is written here, or at the last if you select others, then you can write your name here, means your institution name. So firstly I am going to complete this, and here you need to give your feedback at the last. This is the last thing in this whole form, and here you need to give your feedback about this program. And if you your means this feedback make this and any improvement if required in this program in future. So how would you rate this program, overall satisfaction of this program? Just go through this. If you like this, then you go for 5 star, and if you doesn't like this, go for 1. So I just give 5 star. How likely is it likely you to recommend the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator Program to your peers? Also I am going to give 5. And next thing is, how do you rate the quality of content on Q Labs? I going to give all 5 in all the things here. You can see how do you like to rate the knowledge of your facilitators, and here how confident are you in the field of cloud after going through this program. Very confident. And at the last here different type of things is asking what were the best elements of this program: practical learning on Google Cloud Platform, employment opportunities after the program, swags and prizes, ability to acquire specific skills, tangible skill badges, the opportunity to meet connect with people working with Google Cloud. So these are the things I selected. Next thing is, what are the plans after the program? Will do more quest skill badges or quick labs increasing knowledge? Yes, I am going to do this. Will use my acquired knowledge to work on a cloud project? Yes. And will you go to the A certification exams? So Google Cloud have many certification exams and cloud engineer certification exam, different type of exams, and this cost almost $100 for in going through this, for attempting this exams. So I doesn't go through this. And will you go ahead and try an internship or a job, these things. So firstly I only select this. So next thing is, tell us what we can do to improve your experience in the future program. This is not a compulsory. So I only suggest this thing also made available for school students, because many of the school students on my channel, and they're asking for if they can participate in this Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. But I regret that, means I just say that you are not eligible for this. So now I am just asking them for made available for the this program also for school students. And just go through the next thing. And here, and this is the last thing which we need to answer. So here it also written what happens after you fill the form, and also this is written in your mail. So you can see here, once I am going to read these things once more. Once you fill the form, we will verify your completion and will send you a unique link, means they send a unique link. From that you can just go through the that link and claim your squags, select your t-shirt size and get them delivered to your home. It can take 7 to 14 days, means you need to patience. And your unique link, means you got your unique link if you write all the correct things here, then you got your unique link after 7 to 14 days. In 7 to 14 days, so be patient from that for that. And anything else you would like to share with us, then you can write here. So I am not going to share anything, this is not a compulsory thing, so just going to submit this form. So this is all about the Squax claim form in Google Cloud Redis Facilitator program 2021. And if you want have any doubt, then you can just drop your comment, and I will answer that. And if I am not able to answer that, then I can contact any facilitator, and then they if they have any knowledge about that, then I shall share with you. So this is whole about these things, and I think I completed all these things. And if you want to edit your response, if you think that you just uh, do anything wrong while filling this form, then you can edit your response here. And if you want to submit another response, means if your brother or sister also completed this, then you just go through submit another response. So this is whole about this facilitator program. Meet in the next video.